This full chicken back here, you'll hear it later. We are talking about maximizing production in your pepper plants over here by the shed bed. Let's check this out. Okay, so this is the pepper patch. This is the shed bed, southeast sunwise, and you can see the sun is still coming over in the east. You'll notice we have these nice fat tier 1 paths, 3 foot wide. Love that. I love it. All right, so getting a lot of volume in a small space. That path right there is a mere 18 inches. Okay, this is the main bed for peppers. And you will notice, I'll throw some photos in here for you. You got lots of twins in there, lots of twins. You can and should grow peppers in pairs. Of course, you still want to have some airflow. You notice in the middle here, there's nothing planted in the middle. However, when you pair them up, that helps to protect the fruits from sun scald. And then on this side, another nice path, a little 2-footer made out of paving stones. There is black plastic bags under that to mitigate as many weeds as possible. And then you will see in the walls there, every other hole of the concrete block, you'll find a pepper. Max out that space. Pretty much clay soil under there, so it has access to all the nutrients the plant would ever need, except of course nitrogen. You got to feed it every once in a while, keep it nice and green. But she's packed in. If you look at the back there, would you look at that? Those are the Tabascos, twin towers. Yeah, they're running about 5'4". A couple shoots will run about 5'8", 5'9". But yeah, that is a big chunk of Tabasco peppers, which we will harvest and make our Tabasco sauce, make some rub. What's left over after the sauce, we'll make a rub, and then probably some powder. But those aren't really being grown for powder. We have a hot chili for that. You can hear my girls over there. She thinks I'm working and she wants to come along and help. But what's all that hollering about, Goldie? Can't you see I got a camera in my hand? And there's the Three Stooges. That's quite a show right there. They're young yet. Still early, girl. You'll get out. You'll get your day. That's just the way Goldie is. Now this, of course, that's not a pepper plant. I snuck an eggplant in there. There'll be a video on that too. Most of what's going on in here are bells, but no greens, unless you want to pick them green. But let's see, they're red, yellow, and orange bells. We've had quite a few of those already. This is a pair of pimento peppers, and there's another one in the wall. There's the jalapeno in the wall, another Tabasco in this wall, and then these guys, which were mislabeled. I thought I had poblanos, but they're actually shishitos, and they are fantastic. I'm glad that nursery made that mistake, because these are on the gotta grow them list. And you see there, that's a big pepper plant. That's a nice fruit too. So anyway, there's not much space here. That's 3 by 7 foot main bed, 21 square feet. And then I have 8 concrete holes in play. And out of all of that, there are 20 pepper plants in that small space. Everything's producing. No disease, none of that stuff. It's all organic. We don't use the 7s or whatnot. Then it would be 22, except I snuck in this eggplant. Well, I hope you had some inspiration out of that. Whatever time of year it is you're watching this video, do that in your next growing season. You'll love it. Doesn't take a whole lot of space. That's 21 square feet plus some holes in the wall. That's nothing. Lots of peppers though. Hey, don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and hit that thumbs up and share this video and all that good stuff. I guess I'll catch y'all on the next one.